All right, in this video, we will talk about a weekly evaluation tracking sheet that we offer. The weekly evaluation tracking sheet will look like this when you print it out. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of language concepts that children usually acquire between the ages of 2 to 5 years old. To the right of each of these language concepts are spaces that you can use for record keeping. So let me show you how this works. To use the tracking sheet, you put the date in the upper left-hand corner of the page. And you are going to want to put the date for the whole week that you are working on these language concepts. And we suggest you also write in the name of the activity you will be using. Then you will write down the names of the children you will be working with throughout the week in the spaces at the top of the paper. Now, this tracking sheet is designed to be used as a simple, fast tally sheet. So anytime a child uses one of the language concepts correctly on their own during the week, you just place a tally mark in that box under their name. So at the end of the week, your tracking sheet may look something like this, with a bunch of little tally marks on it. Now, you don't work on every language concept every week, but throughout several weeks or during a month you will. So you will be able to see how a child is progressing in each of these language concept areas, and you will be able to tell which areas need more focus. Now, you can decide if a tracking sheet like this is helpful to you or not, and if it will assist you in your record keeping or not. So this tracking sheet is certainly optional, but we wanted to make it available to you in case you need something for your record keeping. So thank you for watching this video, and we wish you continued success as you help children with the gift of communication.